Let's do Are You Reading Closely and Looking? If Miss Lynn's class brought in 16 items, how many items did Mr. Dre's class bring in? Let's underline. Let's read the details. It says the third graders at Hancock Elementary are bringing items to recycle. The table below shows how many items were brought in from 2 different classes. Let's circle some clues. So if Miss Lynn's class brought in 16 items, and if you look at the table, here's Miss Lynn's class, here's 16 items. How many items did Mr. Dre's class bring in? So let's look at Mr. Dre's class. If she brought in 16, then we need to figure out how many he got. Let's see, it says the third graders are bringing in items to recycle. We're talking about a table here, and that's pretty important. So what should I do first? The main idea. My main idea is going to say, how many items did Mr. Dre's class bring? And I know that my most important clue here is the table, so I'm going to be looking at the table, and I need to start labeling my table. So I see that these 2 labels are right next to each other, so I need to be looking at the numbers that are next to each other so I can find a relationship between them. So the 3 is my small number and the 11 is my big number. How can we get that 3 to turn into an 11? Well, to make numbers bigger, I can add or I can multiply. Let's see if multiplication will work. Well, I know that Mr. Dre has more. Let's figure out how many times more. So let's look at what Miss Lynn has. Miss Lynn has 3, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 dots right here. And now I'm going to put 11 dots for Mr. Dre's class over here. And I'm going to do it in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boop. And then 1, because 5, 10, 11. Let's figure out how many times more he has than she has. She has 3, so let's circle groups of 3 over here. So there's 3, 3, 3, and then here's a group of 3. Oh my gosh, that's not going to work out. So it's not going to be multiplication. Maybe it can be addition. So here is 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boop, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boop, 11. Let's figure out how many more he has than she has. Let's take 1 out here and cross this one out, and take this one out. So let's see, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. So that means if we added 8 to 3, that we would get 11, because 3 plus 8 equals 11. Let's see if that relationship is the same for the rest of the numbers in my table. What about 6 plus 8? Does that equal 14? Well, let's put the big number in our brain. Let's put the 8 in our brain, and let's add on 6. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is true. That's good. What about 12 plus 8? Does that equal 20? Let's figure it out. Let's put the big number in our brain, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is that true? Yeah, it does equal 20. So that means that my relationship going this way is going to be plus 8. So to find that missing number, I need to be adding 8 again. So let's see what 16 plus 8 equals to. So let's put the big number in our brain, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So the missing number is 24 here. And now all I need to do is eliminate my answer choices. So that's what I'm going to do for my strategy. So A says 128. No, that's not what we got. B says 1. B says 24. Maybe 8. C says 8. D says 22. Let's look closely. It says because 16 adding 8 equals 24. That's true.